Today we're going to show you how to make your grad t-shirt. So what you're going to need is different cans of spray paint, neon colored spray paint. Make sure that you get oil-based, not water-based, because it will wash off in the washing machine. So again, make sure it's oil-based paint. You can get it at Canadian Tire. I don't know if Canadian Tire's open yet. Home Hardware, Rona, those are some places. Walmart, you can get them. Then you're going to want to have white plain t-shirts, some painter's tape that you can also get to the same place that you get your paint, and some scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some of the tape and you're going to use it to write whatever you want on your t-shirt. So commonly people will put Westwood Grad 2020, whatever you want to put, totally up to you. So I'm going to put Westwood Grad. So tear off some tape, and scissors help keep your edges nice and straight so you can make your words look fairly neat. So just put the tape however you want. And so what I'm doing down here is I'm writing Westwood, or I'm putting WW for Westwood. You can use the front and the back of your t-shirt. So I'm going to write Grad, Westwood Grad on the front and 2020 on the back. That's a bit short, that's okay. Okay, so it's kind of an idea of what you're going to do. You're just going to spell out whatever you want, make it your own unique thing. And so we have the W started there. Okay, so this is what the front finish that I made looks like. And again, remember, you can write whatever you want. So we have Grad Westwood, and on the back we put the 2020. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go onto some grass and lay your shirt out, and then get your spray paint. If it's windy outside, make sure you're not standing downwind because you don't want to spray yourself. So where's the wind coming from? Now I need to figure that out. It's coming this way, so I need to stand here. Okay. Now, the other thing you want to be careful of is don't use too much because it makes the shirt really stiff. So you want to have, a nice amount. So just kind of spray wherever. And again, you can pick whatever colors you like.
Wind's coming from there now.
Hopefully, when you decide to do this, it's not too windy out. My orange paint's not working very well. Guess we'll skip orange for now. Go to some green paint. So you're just basically spraying the paint all over the place. Lots of different colors. Ooh, that's a bright color.
You want to make sure that you've got all of the space directly around the tape covered, so that when you remove the tape, it'll create a negative space with the letters. So if you have to do multiple layers of light coats of paint, that works best to get that full coverage effect.
I think we need a little bit more green. Good?
That looks pretty spiffy.
So now what you want to do is let it dry. So leave it, doesn't take too long to dry. So we've let the shirt dry, and now we're going to remove the tape. So as you see, as long as you had You don't, like I said, you don't need a lot of paint, just a little bit of paint. Do a few thin layers, and then as you take the tape off, your letters are gonna pop. So, you see the WW, the D there coming up. You wanna do the front and the back of the shirt. We didn't do the back today, but you can do them all together. You don't need to do it on separate days. You do also want to, after you're done, wash your shirt in cold water just to remove any excess smells from it.
If you are doing the front and back, make sure you let one side dry before turning it over. Otherwise, when you're doing it outside, you're going to wind up with grass embedded inside your paint on the front of your shirt. But look at how beautiful that is.
There we go.
Miss Simpson did a great job.
Miss Carnegie did the taping. I did the spraying. It was a group effort.
Looking forward to seeing you guys' shirts next week.
I believe on Friday.
I think Fridays are...
Yeah, Friday next week you'll be wearing your nice Westwood grad shirts. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Miss Carnegie or me, and we'll be happy to help you.